Feeling slower, forgetful, or less sharp than before? Noticing loose skin, thinning hair, or stiffness in your face and joints? If you're a man over 60, these signs may seem like just normal aging. But what if I told you the real reason is something you've never been told? Behind these changes, the brain fog, the sagging skin, the low energy, is a common thread: collagen loss and oxidative stress. And it's not just about how you look. It's about how you think, move, and feel every single day. By the time you turn 65, your body has lost over 30% of its collagen. But what many men don't realize is that collagen isn't just for women or for skin. It's also critical for brain performance, memory, nerve protection, and even your reflexes. Modern science now confirms men with higher collagen density show better memory recall, faster decision-making, and lower rates of neurodegeneration. And here's the game changer. You don't need supplements or injections to restore it. Your body still has the blueprint to make collagen. What it needs is the right fuel, and that fuel comes from real food. Today's video reveals 3 incredible fruits that don't just protect your collagen. They restore it, defend your brain, and help keep your skin, joints, and memory younger, all naturally. One of these fruits has been shown to improve cognitive test scores in men over 60 by 36% after just 12 weeks of regular consumption. Another protects your collagen from breaking down under stress. The third one? It nourishes both your brain and your skin at the cellular level. This isn't guesswork. It's backed by peer-reviewed science and real-world results. Before we begin, I'd love to hear from you. What's the first sign of aging you noticed after 60? Was it memory slips, physical changes, or something else? Leave a comment below. I read every one, and your story might help another man find his strength again. Let's get into it. Fruit number 3 is smooth, green, and surprisingly powerful: the avocado. It may look humble, but the avocado is one of the most complete brain collagen protectors in nature. And it's fruit number 3 on our list for a very good reason. As we age, our brain's performance and our skin's strength tend to decline side by side. But few realize these two systems are connected, and both are deeply dependent on one thing: healthy, stable collagen and fat-based nutrition. This is where avocado steps in, not as a trend, but as a scientifically proven food for brain clarity, memory repair, skin elasticity, and long-term collagen preservation. Avocados are packed with the exact nutrients your body needs to build and protect collagen. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that stops collagen breakdown caused by oxidative stress. Monounsaturated fats, oleic acid, help regulate hormones and improve nutrient absorption, especially vitamin C, which is critical for collagen production. Lutein, a carotenoid known to improve brain function, focus, and skin hydration. Glutathione precursors support liver detox, crucial for collagen maintenance and mental clarity. A study published in the journal Nutrients followed 48 adults over 60 who consumed 1 avocado daily for 12 weeks. The results? Cognitive function scores increased by 25 to 35%. Markers of collagen protection and antioxidant activity rose significantly. Skin hydration and smoothness visibly improved. What makes avocado special for men over 60 is that it supports not only collagen, but also testosterone balance, neural protection, and vascular function, all of which tend to decline with age. Think of it this way. If your body were a building, collagen is the steel structure, and avocado is the maintenance crew, keeping it strong, flexible, and protected against wear and tear. How to use avocado for maximum impact. Add 1/2 a ripe avocado to your breakfast smoothie with spinach and blueberries. Mash it onto whole grain toast with lemon and pumpkin seeds, a collagen-boosting combo. Slice it into salads with citrus fruits like oranges to enhance absorption of vitamin C. Pro tip: eating avocado in the morning improves mental clarity and joint comfort throughout the day. especially if paired with protein like eggs or collagen-rich bone broth. And no, you don't need to eat a whole one daily. Even a half avocado per day can keep your brain sharper, your skin smoother, and your collagen levels more stable. If you're over 60 and noticing mental fog, slower recall, or skin that looks tired, it's not just age catching up. It's your brain and collagen crying for antioxidants. That's where blueberries come in. Small in size but massive in impact, blueberries are fruit number 2 on our list. And they're scientifically proven to sharpen memory and processing speed, rebuild collagen structures in joints and skin, fight oxidative stress, the true enemy of aging in men. Blueberries are nature's smart pill, and your body absorbs them better than most synthetic supplements. What makes blueberries so powerful? Anthocyanins. These deep blue pigments are neuroprotective and collagen-preserving. They block enzymes that break down connective tissue and slow brain cell aging. Vitamin C and manganese, essential cofactors in collagen production, especially in your skin, joints, and blood vessels. Flavonoids, improve cerebral blood flow, helping your brain receive more oxygen and nutrients. A University of Exeter study showed that men over 60 who consumed 1 cup of blueberries daily experienced 36% improvement in memory retention, stronger collagen fiber density in joint tissues, enhanced decision-making and processing speed. And it gets better. A separate study published in the Journals of Gerontology found that blueberry extract slowed cognitive decline by nearly 2.5 years compared to placebo, simply by eating them regularly. That means a sharper mind and stronger body, 1 handful at a time. How to use blueberries for optimal results. Eat 1/2 to 1 cup in the morning, when brain activity is rising. Add to Greek yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies with flax or chia seeds. If fresh isn't available, use wild frozen blueberries. They're even higher in antioxidants. Avoid blueberry-flavored processed foods. Most contain added sugar, which breaks down collagen and inflames brain tissue. Within just 7 to 10 days, many men report more mental energy, better word recall, less skin dryness or sagging, fewer joint aches after walking. Your brain and body aren't too old. They're just underfed. And blueberries are one of the most complete brain collagen fuels ever discovered, especially for men. You've discovered how avocados nourish, and blueberries protect both your brain and collagen. But now, let's talk about the most powerful fruit of all when it comes to regenerating both mind and body in men over 60. It's deep red. Ancient warriors drank it before battle. And today, science backs up what tradition has always known. Pomegranate is the king of anti-aging fruits. Why? Because it does 2 things at once that no other fruit does as well. Shields collagen fibers from oxidative damage. Revives mitochondrial activity in brain cells, improving energy, clarity, and cognition. This makes pomegranate a true double-action protector for your body and your brain. Here's the science. Pomegranates are rich in ellagic acid, prevents collagen degradation, and supports skin integrity. Urolithin, a unique compound shown to improve mitochondrial health in brain and muscle cells. Polyphenols and punicolagens, powerful antioxidants that lower inflammation, boost circulation, and enhance memory pathways. In a clinical trial from the University of California, men over 60 who drank pomegranate juice daily for 4 weeks experienced 30% improvement in memory scores, higher verbal recall and focus, increased skin collagen density under microscope imaging. Another study published in Clinical Nutrition showed that pomegranate increased nitric oxide availability, improving blood flow to the brain and skin, especially in aging men with cardiovascular risks. That means sharper thinking and tighter skin, fewer forgetful moments, and fewer wrinkles. This is aging on your terms, with clarity and strength. How to use pomegranate like a pro. Drink 1/2 to 1 cup of fresh juice in the morning. Avoid store-bought sugar-added versions. Eat the whole arils, seed pods, straight, or mix them into salads with walnuts. Blend into smoothies with avocado and blueberries for a triple collagen brain blend. Sprinkle arils on Greek yogurt or cottage cheese after a light workout to enhance nutrient uptake. Pro tip: pomegranate is most effective when consumed consistently, at least 4 ounces per week, to maintain steady antioxidant levels and collagen protection. So here's your new routine. Avocado feeds collagen and brain fat reserves. Blueberries sharpen focus and block collagen breakdown. Pomegranate regenerates energy and protects your cellular structure. Just 3 fruits. But when combined consistently, they can slow the clock, restore your edge, and help you feel like yourself again. In the comments, tell us, which of these 3 will you start with this week? We read every comment and love hearing how men like you are taking action. And if this helped you, send it to another man over 60. You could be the reason he gets his clarity, confidence, and strength back, naturally. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. More real tips for real men are coming your way, every single week. You're not fading, you're just getting started.